Well, hi there, everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here today. Starting off with some fog out there this morning, especially in the northern half of the state where we have some pretty thick fog out there. That will gradually burn off through the morning, and then we're going to be stuck anywhere from mostly sunny to mostly cloudy. I think the thicker cloud cover will be to the south, a little more sunshine expected to the north. So even though the worst of the fog is in the north this morning, we'll actually see better conditions this afternoon. By about 5 o'clock, we may start to see some rain and thunderstorms enter the picture as we get towards I-80 and southward. Chances will pick up a little bit more, though, this evening and overnight tonight. A few hit or miss showers and thunderstorms. By after midnight, we're focusing that better chance towards the eastern half of the state. Not really expecting much for severe thunderstorms, though, in this forecast for tonight. Tomorrow's still going to keep a chance of a shower or thunderstorm going during the day, although the chances really die down during the daytime hours. The big question mark is how much sun can we get out there? Is it going to be stuck mostly cloudy? Are we going to see a little more sunshine? This could certainly determine how warm or cool will actually be, although I do expect, in general, temperatures maybe to be a few degrees warmer for your Friday. Heading into Friday night, more chances of showers and storms. This time, a little better chance of a few isolated strong to severe thunderstorms. As we get towards Saturday during the daytime hours, most of us will end up being dry with a lot more sunshine. Although watching the southeast corner of the state, those areas do still have a slight chance of showers and storms, including the chance of some severe thunderstorms, and including in the Lincoln area. We're going to be watching that spring game closely. I'll have that forecast here in just a minute. Looking at that risk of severe weather, this is for tomorrow, mainly tomorrow night. A large portion of the area under a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms. So I'm not expecting a lot of severe weather, but it certainly is a possibility tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. As we head into Saturday, that threat is more for the southeastern parts of the viewing area, where we do have that marginal risk, a slight risk in the extreme southeast parts of the viewing area for Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Looking at your forecast for today, now temperatures most places will be a few degrees either side of 70. A lot of this will just depend on how much sun we could eventually see here. Again, some thick morning fog up north, then becoming partly to mostly sunny. Most areas won't see too much wind today. The only exception may be the southwest part of the state, especially towards Imperial and Ogallala. We could see those winds get up over 20 miles per hour by later on this afternoon. Otherwise, late day thunderstorms possible south of I-80, upper 60s to lower 70s. Upper 60s and low 70s in the south, again, same kind of situation. Late day thunderstorms possible south of I-80. And to the east, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 60s, lower, maybe mid-70s, and again, partly to mostly cloudy skies otherwise with that late-day chance of a thunderstorm south of I-80. Now we'll look ahead to Saturday in Lincoln. We're heading to the spring game. May have to dodge a few hit-or-miss showers with the storms. Better chance towards the afternoon compared to the morning hours, but that said, I'm not going to go any higher than a 30% chance. I do think the better chances will be southeast of the capital city. Otherwise, if you're heading to the game, you should be looking at mild conditions and not too much wind, maybe a little breezy during the tailgating time of the day there in the morning hours. But overall, pretty nice weather if we can end up dodging any showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. Next week ahead of us here for the Tri-Cities, dry conditions for the Easter weekend. Next chance of rain will come in after midnight Sunday night, and then a lot of hit or miss chances, although these chances are kind of tough to predict at this point, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Probably right now I would favor the best chance to come overnight Monday night. Meanwhile, highs mostly in the 60s. There are signs that we're going to cool things back a little bit. We could be looking at cooler conditions, especially towards Wednesday. No threat of freezing conditions at night, 40s and 50s for lows. Looking down the road towards the end of next week, there are some signs that we may start to bring back some of those colder nighttime conditions. Certainly something to watch for down the road a bit, but still a ways away to really get a good fine detail on that part of the forecast. So there is your forecast for today, including the Easter holiday weekend, the spring game coming up on Saturday. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you enjoy your Thursday.